Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Study of Science in a Simple Way. Today I will discuss about the chemical kinetics, what is the chemical kinetics and what will studied in this chapter. So before starting this chapter, please subscribe my channel, please press the bell icon who is a new young, please and also like this video and share much more as possible. So let me start what is the chemical kinetics. Actually kinetics term is coming from the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, and kinetic energy means motion. Motion is said to be maybe speed or velocity. Speed or velocity. So, what is the chemical kinetics? Chemical kinetics is the branch of chemistry in which we study about the rate of reaction or speed of a reaction and its mechanism. So, it is the branch of chemistry in which we study about rate of reaction or speed of reaction and its mechanism. It's called chemical kinetics. So this is the basically rate of reaction and its mechanism. This is the part of chemistry that is said to be chemical kinetics. So on the basis of rate of reaction, the chemical reaction is classified into three categories. On the basis of rate of reaction, it is reaction classified as number 1, very fast reaction. Second one, very slow reaction. And the third one is the moderately slow reaction. So what is the very fast reaction? Means those reactions which take very small time for completion. Means those reactions which is instantly completed. Means reactant is instantly converted into product. Is said to be very fast reaction. Those chemical reaction which is completed instantaneously called as very fast reaction. Very fast reaction. बेसिकली जितने भी आयनिक रिएक्शन हैं, जितने भी आयनिक कंपाउंड्स के रिएक्शन है, वो सारे के सारे रिएक्शन वेरी फास्ट रिएक्शन के अंडर में कंसीडर होते हैं. एज एग्जांपल न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. As you know, in neutralization reaction, acid is react with base to form salt and water. This is is the neutralization reaction. This is very fast reaction. Now the second example is the precipitation reaction. हम सब जान रहे हैं कि आयनिक कंपाउंड्स के NaOH ionic compound, acid is the ionic compound. Precipitation reaction. If we add aqueous solution of silver nitrate with sodium chloride solution of aqueous, then we got the AgCl solid as a precipitate and sodium nitrate aqueous solution. So this is the very fast reaction which is completed instantaneously, means those reactions which are completed within a short time of is called very fast reaction. And the second thing is the very slow reaction, those reactions which taken much more time for its completion, means those chemical reaction which take much more time for its completion. Much more time means maybe hours or years. So this is the very slow reaction. As an example, formation of water. Formation of water, as in lab, hydrogen is react with oxygen, then it form water molecule. This takes for completion years. इस रिएक्शन को कंप्लीट होने के लिए सालों साल लग जाते हैं. दैट टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन इज सेड टू बी वेरी स्लो रिएक्शन. Now the moderately slow reaction means those reactions which are not completely convert from reactant to product instantaneously are for taking many years. Means ऐसी रिएक्शन जिसको कंप्लीट होने में ना तो बहुत कम समय लगता है और ना ही बहुत ज्यादा समय लगता है, ऐसे रिएक्शन को हम लोग बोलते हैं मॉडरेटली स्लो रिएक्शन. मींस those reaction which take some time for its completion are called moderately slow reaction. As an example, inversion of a sugar C12H22O11, that is the cane sugar, is hydrolyzed with H2O, then it forms C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. This is the glucose and this is the fructose. The inversion of sugar takes some minutes, some time only. Now the second example is the hydrolysis of starch. As you know, starch is the polymer of glucose. So C6H10O5 and molecule plus NH2O, then it get convert into C12H22O11 and molecule. This is the maltose. This is the maltose. So these reactions are basically classified on the basis of rate of reaction into three categories: very fast reaction, very slow reaction, moderately slow reaction. Those reactions which are instantly completed are very fast reaction. Those reactions which taken years or hours for its completion is called very slow reaction, and those which take only short time of period, that is minute, is called moderately slow reaction. इस चैप्टर में हम लोग बार बार कह रहे हैं रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. तो व्हाट इज द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इफ इन अ केमिकल रिएक्शन? लेट मी स्टार्ट. rate of reaction. Rate of reaction of a chemical, yeah, the chemical reaction rate of reaction for a chemical reaction is the speed or velocity by which it completes. Is the speed or velocity by which it completes. You see that rate of reaction for a chemical reaction is the speed or velocity by which it completes. Speed या velocity, अगर हम बात करें स्पीड की, तो स्पीड इक्वल टू होता है डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. बट यहाँ पर केमिकल रिएक्शन में डिस्टेंस नाम की कोई चीज है नहीं, तो वी टेक द कंसंट्रेशन टर्म, चेंज इन कंसंट्रेशन. Change in concentration upon time. This is called rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. So actually the rate of reaction क्या है? Speed है, and speed is said to be change in concentration upon time with respect to the chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. किसी भी केमिकल रिएक्शन की स्पीड को या रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन को, किसी भी केमिकल रिएक्शन के रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन को दो तरीके से डिटरमाइन किया जा सकता है. Rate of reaction expressed by two ways. Expressed by two ways. Number one, qualitatively, means qualities. Second thing is the quantitatively. Quantitatively. So what is the qualitatively? Means अगर किसी भी केमिकल रिएक्शंस के रेट को क्वालिटी से डिटरमाइन करें, तो दिस टाइप ऑफ रेट डिटर्मिनेशन इज सेड टू बी क्वालिटेटिवली रेट डिटरमाइन. एग्जांपल मींस जैसे किसी भी कोई भी केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रहा है, अगर उसमें डिसअपीयरेंस होने लगे, डिसअपीयरेंस ऑफ रिएक्टेंट, अगर रिएक्टेंट उसमें डिसअपीयर होने लगे, तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि दैट रिएक्शन इज गोज इन फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन. सो दिस इज द क्वालिटेटिवली रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. सेकेंड, चेंज इन कलर. अगर किसी भी रिएक्शन में कलर का चेंज होने लग जाए, तो दैट टाइम इज सेड टू बी क्वालिटेटिवली रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. नाउ द थर्ड इज द effervescence. Effervescence means production of any type of gas in a reaction. This also indicates the reaction goes in forward direction. Means और बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोसेस है by which we can determine the qualitatively rate of reaction. So this is not accurate rate determining by which quantitatively rate of determination. Quantitatively अगर मान लिया कोई रिएक्शन है, जैसे मान लो A to B, this is the reactant and this is the product. reaction is completed या goes in forward direction. Means reactant A का concentration कम हो रहा है and reactant product B का concentration increase कर रहा है. Means किसी भी reaction में reactant का concentration कम होगा, that is also considered in quantitatively. If the rate of appearance of product is increases, this is also considered to be quantitatively. Means quantitatively rate of reaction को determine हम दो तरीके से कर सकते हैं. Number 1, rate of decrease in concentration of reactant. Second, rate of increase in concentration of product. अगर किसी भी सब्सटेंस का कंसंट्रेशन डिक्रीज करे तो दैट इज इंडिकेटेड बाय नेगेटिव साइन. दिस इज इंडिकेटेड बाय नेगेटिव साइन and this is indicated by positive sign because the concentration is increases. Concentration is increases. अब reactant, this is reactant, this is product. अगर हमें reactant A के रिस्पेक्ट में rate of reaction को कंसीडर करना है तो then what will rate of reaction is equal to change in concentration of A upon time. अगर हम B के रिस्पेक्ट में बात करें then rate of reaction is equal to change in concentration of B upon time. लेकिन अगर आप यहाँ पर देखें एक्चुअल में रिएक्टेंट का कंसंट्रेशन डिक्रीज हो रहा है एंड प्रोडक्ट का कंसंट्रेशन इंक्रीज कर रहा है. मींस रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज इक्वल टू डिक्रीज इन कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ए अपॉन टाइम. यहां पर देखिए रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज इक्वल टू इंक्रीज इन concentration of B upon time. This is the increase. Here this is decrease. So decreased term is indicated by negative. Increased term is indicated by positive. Concentration is indicated by square bracket. This square bracket indicates the concentration of A. क्या हो रहा है? चेंज हो रहा है. तो दिस इज द डेल्टा. change in concentration of A upon time. Time is also indicated by delta. So this is the rate of reaction. Here rate of reaction is equal to positive delta change in concentration of B upon delta T. So this is the accurate rate of reaction determined. This is in quantitatively. So this is the basic concept related to the rate of reaction. How will you determine the rate of reaction? अगर किसी भी रिएक्टेंट का कंसंट्रेशन चेंज होगा then it is indicated by negative sign. If the concentration of product is increases it is indicated by the positive sign. So this will be about the chemical kinetics, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, please press the bell icon for new video notifications.